Alright guys, so I am back with another video. I did want to go over the trade that I took last night um, and kind of explain my thought process on that. So as you can see, the account balance is now down $500. Let me see and of course it's not. So yeah, so last night, so let's get into this. So this trade actually what ended up being a great trade again, pretty much. Um, so you can see right here, this is the 3 hour break of structure. I'm gonna go ahead and go up to the 3 hour chart just to show what I was looking at last night. So this is where we were. And for whatever reason, I'm signed in, but of course, like Top Step is moving over to Top Step X. I don't know if that has something to do with the orders not showing on the chart anymore, or right now. I don't know what's going on, but so I can't really exactly quite remember where I got into, but I think it was around 10 last night, 11. So I did have this break of structure right here on the 3 hour chart with this bullish candlestick uh, closing above the previous lower high. As you can see, price did come back to this 3 hour break of structure, and from there, price kind of bounced around in the consolidation pattern, and then it ultimately pushed up. So around this time, it was, as you can see, 2, 3 in the morning. Let me kind of jump down. And I guess let me make this point too, just to kind of explain, like, I guess the trading strategy that I have. So basically, what I'm looking for is a break of structure and then a return to structure, and then that is where I'm ultimately trying to get into an entry in combination with the price being oversold. So price was oversold at this point, or it had been. As you can see at this 25 mark, so this is the RSI over the 7-day period, and then price, basically what I'm looking for is for price to at least with this 4 hour strategy, which is kind of why I'm going to be going back to scalping. Yeah, that's a whole long story, so I won't even necessarily get into that, but basically I'm just not very patient, or it's just not working with my lifestyle. So anywho, in accordance to this 4 hour strategy that I was trying to work out, basically when price is oversold at the point of 25, that's where I'm looking for a close above a break of structure, lower high. In this case, if it's I guess if I'm looking for a bullish entry, want to close at that previous lower high, and then a return to the break of structure in accordance with, or in confluence with, the price being at that 25 mark. And then I'm trying to get in on the 15-minute chart. So going down here to the 1 hour, you can kind of see again, price had closed above that previous high, and then price was consolidating at that point. So again, I got in around 10, 11. Again, unfortunately, I can't see where the actual entry was, but it was in this area. As you can see, I did have this, obviously the trade marked up here, but this entry is not exactly accurate, because I did take like an order, a market order, and I don't think I got in right here, because yeah, I didn't get in right there. So anywho, got in around 10, and I did set an alert for price once it got to the London high. So essentially, I did get that alert. It did wake me up at night. I did wake up. I did see it, but the price, or I guess the profit, was around $200, maybe $248. But I decided not to close it, even though, I should have closed it, but I was like, I wanted to try to let the trade play out. I was thinking it, yeah, it may come down, but it may continue to push up. That did not happen. It didn't even make it really, to 8 o'clock before it just kind of just crashed, as you can see. So pretty much once I got that alert, it then instantly crashed. So I should have at minimum moved the stop loss to break even, and it would have prevented this $500 loss. So it's pretty crazy, but that's on me, and that's just kind of why, like, I don't think I want to necessarily swing trades. I think what I'm going to do is just have like a separate account where it's like swing trading, and then I'm definitely going back to scalping, just because I don't want to be concerned about trying to wake up and making decisions in the middle of my sleep. Like, it's just nah. So anywho, that is the trade from yesterday. So that was a $500 loss, and that is on the Top Step account. Yeah, so I will see you guys, I believe, in the next one. I guess I'll go over the bot trade real quick before I get out of here. So I probably, on this one, I probably should have taken profit once it hit like the 10-point mark. Basically, this automated strategy is looking for price to basically go 20 pips before even moving the stop loss to break even, or even trailing or anything. So yeah, I don't the swing trading is a little I think what I'm gonna try to do is just like implement like a trailing stop, and that's was my frustration with this. So y'all couldn't even see it, and I'm over here like talking about let's see. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, like, so I probably should have taken profit around here up at that 20 pip or 10 pip mark, instead of letting it go 20 pips, just simply because obviously we're now down. So at any point in time in this situation here, we could take a profit, but I was I don't know what I was really thinking. So anywho, price is now in a downward motion, and basically I'm gonna just let this play out because it's kind of my thing on the bot. I mean, this is a demo, this forex.com account. It is copying the trades on this account are copying over to a live account, but that's a very small kind of account. So this new strategy is this 4-hour kind of swinging it. I'm still testing it. It is profitable when back tested, so we'll see. Today it even kind of hit the stop loss, but was able to push on upwards. And I guess if we look at the chart here, let's see, we're headed down into that day support line. I guess going to retest that. So kind of zoom out, and you can kind of see also the RSI on the over the 2-day is oversold. So maybe we'll get another push above, hopefully, the London high. And then I think definitely this time, if it doesn't, continue to break out, then I'll probably be looking to move the trade to break even, or close it out, pretty much. So anywho, those were the trades for today, or last night, and I think I'm gonna get into a trade tonight, and I think I'm gonna go back to the NAS and just allow the bot to take trades on the Euro USD currency. That's what we're doing. So this was another live trading video. I'm trying to be consistent and just kind of use this as a video journal, if you will, and then be able to watch these back and kind of progress and get better every day. So hopefully this video was helpful. Hopefully this video provided some context, and you could learn from my mistakes. Basically, when you are in profit, go ahead and take your profit, secure some sort of profit, and then move it to break even. I think that's the adjustment that I'm going to be making. So see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.